Good morning, YouTube. So, it's finally the day. We have got, this is actually the back bit, because I plucked the underside, so that if she wears it up or whatever, it'll look more believable. But, it is 7 a.m., we woke up at 6, and we're incredibly dead, and now we're finally starting the install at like 7:15. So, we'll be back when we finish the stocking cap method, because y'all have seen that 1.5 million times. It's Glamazonte's stocking cap method, so you can look that up if you want. We'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. So that was only a couple seconds for you, but for us it was about half an hour. The bald cap finished, Glamazonte method, like I said, it's like standard for YouTube now. Using something other than our got to be glued today. We're using Walker's Great White, just because it's very hot where we're at in Eastern Washington, so I don't want her sweating out of it. And I'm going to use this locs skin protectant because I have locs adhesive that goes with it. But yeah, let's get started. So I've got that on you. And I'm going to go grab the alcohol real quick. Gosh darn it, our camera fell forward and I don't know when. So, we're only going to do a frontal install, even though this is a full lace. And I'll show you why. If you see how closely this strap is to the actual end of the lace, it makes it nearly impossible to glue the back down. So what I have to do is I have to go through and remove all this extra crap another day so that we can install the whole thing. Just brushing it back away. Head up, please. Thank you. Brushing it back to see what didn't lay. But it looks like all of it laid. There is a wrinkle over here, which is pissing me off.
I feel like the wrinkle happened when I was trying to find a comb.
Sorry.
It's okay.
You should have put something over you.
Yeah.
Because you're getting hair all over you now.
Good thing I wasn't planning on wearing these clothes today, huh?
Yeah. Thank God. It is, because we don't have a guard, so I gotta go like this. Yes, oh my gosh, you can't even tell.
You're getting the effect you wanted?
Yes, it looks like short hair.
Perfect.
Which is cool. Oops. Nothing too whoops, I mean, it's not your hair, so we're not too concerned, but. This was my learning side, because now that I'm getting back here, I can see stitching, so I went too short. If anything, we just take the wig off immediately. If I can't get it to look good on either side, we just take the wig off. And I still produce the video because it's good content.
Learning content.
Yeah.
What not to do.
What not to do. Maybe if I can get it figured out, I'll attempt this on another wig. But pretty much what my problem is right now is I needed the guards really bad.
Stop.
Wait. That doesn't say cute.
It's full of hair.
Now he's hurting me, Mommy. That's a big mess that he does.
Oh, is it coming up on that side?
I want to get
Grace of God, I should have checked my fucking shit. Because I found a guard. Should have checked. Now this side's gonna look good and the other side won't. It's okay. Okay. Damn it. There's a wrinkle right here.
You can't cut it. Oh, I did his hair off.
Oh my god. You need a human wig.
For real.
Badly, because I cannot deal with this tangling. Great, this has fallen again. If y'all want to support us so we can get human hair wigs and stop dealing with synthetics, be sure to click that subscribe button, the like button, and all that other shit so we can start making money off these videos and bring y'all quality human hair. Frontals.
Well, I did this.
Baby, please go watch your cartoons. I know you're bored, but please.
You're not going to find any entertainment here. Except for annoying us, which isn't entertainment.
This gets you yelled at.
Alright. Fucking kidding me. If I fix one wrinkle, I create another. There's still a wrinkle. It doesn't look as bad though. Alright, now I would say we've got this really badass looking devil's lock thing going on. I'm just kind of trying to blend the rest of our spikes that we got going on. We're going to leave the back long, of course. I'm trying to hurry. Okay, now we're recording again. Welcome back, everyone. Sorry that the video cut out toward the end of cutting and styling and such, but it did turn out good enough for her to wear throughout her day at work, so...
Tricked 3 people.
Tricked 3 people, so that's a plus. There were definitely some issues with it, but you know, we're learning. The wig only cost $40, and I had never seen anyone shave a full lace wig before, so I think this was really fun. And it's time to show you guys how it turned out. So, Shirazzle over here. As you guys saw in the video, I only got one side to look exceptional when shaved because it, you know, took me until fucking up this side over here. I'm like, if we flip it up, we see the real teeth. Uneven shave job. And it's too close to the lace, so you can clearly see that that is obviously a wig. So yeah, we fucked up the first side, and we regrouped, found our fucking guard, and did the other side, and that looked really cool. And then I thought after I did the side shave that we can't just leave it like that, we gotta add some layers. So, just a sec.
In the camera.
In the back, cut, I don't know if you can really see them, but I cut some, you know, like Black Veil Brides style layers. Cut some more bangs so that it frames her face, and trimmed out right here as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We had fun. Hopefully you had fun. I totally want to be like shouted out to or whatever if some of you other big YouTubers see this and start doing side shaves on your full lace wigs, because I started this. I'm claiming it right now. Alright. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. We'll catch you guys